Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. So it's me again back with another video. In today's video we're gonna talk about blush and blush and blush. I realized the other day how much blush placement has been evolved and what a big difference it makes in our entire makeup look. So I'm gonna show you 3 different ways to apply blush, which is gonna look best on your face shape. So first I wanna say that I use all of it pretty much on my face regardless of what my face shape is. For all these techniques I'm gonna use blush from Colorbar in shade Flushed Satin. I'm gonna use this brush from Real Technique, that is RT200. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for future updates. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the first place I'm going to place the blush is going to be higher up on my cheekbones, from the apple to all the way to edge of my brow. Placing between bronzer and highlighter, and it should give a nice gradient effect. This brings up your bone structure, lifts up your face, lifts up your cheeks. So generally the rule of thumb here is it complements more circular kind of face shape. Next I'm gonna applying is to apple of my cheekbones, and what I'm gonna do is just applying a little amount to just above to my brow bone. In this you just need to apply the highest point possible, because if you drag it down your face may look droopy. So keep it above the bronzer. This kind of application would complement to someone who has more like heart shaped face. Last type of blush that I have been doing so much lately because I think it's cute. I'm going to apply it center across my nose and a little bit of across my face. This almost mix in with your highlighter. So this technique would complement more to a narrow face because you are creating more surface horizontally. So it gives more broader effect to face. I want to tell you one more technique that I use a lot on my face. That is to apply blush on apple of your cheeks. This technique complements more slimmer face that makes your face look a bit wider. So if you have a slimmer face, you can definitely go for it. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much I did. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you with a brand new one. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.